What are you doing, Astra?
I'm cutting.
Cutting the potatoes, yeah?
Yeah.
And you want to make it a simple
Yeah.
deal
It's
basmati
okay.
rice, yeah?
It's okay, we'll pick that up later.
I just put it. Can you send it to Jess?
Can you chop the not tomatoes. Can you chop the onions like Daddy, like that?
No, I can't.
It's a little hard, isn't it?
That's hard.
Daddy's very fast.
Come more potatoes, Dad. Come more potatoes to chop.
We're done with the potato. Now we need some deal.
What's the deal? Sister, can you bring the deal, please?
Yeah.
Cause sister, no, can you leave the camera there for me and Daddy? So we need to cut all of this up.
Right, okay, so should we let Daddy explain what we're cooking today?
Yeah, and that. Come in.
And I got a really, really good help from
Mrs. Little Cook.
high five. Golden color for
Onions, yeah?
yeah.
Sister, today you're 6 years old. Sister.
This onion burn my eyes.
Right, what are we doing now, Daddy?
Now the onions ready. It's been fried very well. Now we add in 350 gram potatoes to fry it with the onion to get softer and
What's that?
tastier.
What's that?
That one is salt, sweetheart. And also we're using 20 gram sea salt for our cooking, okay?
I'm yelling you.
I love you. Has he gone? Right, Daddy, what are we doing next?
Now we put in a slow heat all the potatoes ready with the onion, fried well. If you remember, we added 4 cups of this one's rice. Now boiling water, we add 5 cups to the pan. 1 cup extra for rising the rice much better. 2, 3, 4, and 5. This rice been soaking in the water, we filter it, and after we'll add it to the rice.
Can I do that?
Yep. Wait a second.
Can I do that?
And now,
I want to do that.
yeah, we add in rice.
I want to do
Okay,
that.
can you clean it up?
And then you do it.
Yeah. Please.
Oh, it's a bit hot, isn't it?
No, it wasn't.
There you
Thanks
go.
for your
But
help.
I wanted to spill down it.
And now we add in a 40 gram dry veal to it.
Okay.
Okay. And Asa will helping us to mix it together. Yes.
Nice.
Thank you. Slow.
Can I go do that now?
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ezra.
Welcome, Dad. You can do the rest of
It is many ways to cook
It
this
looks
rice.
yummy.
Right, so should we wait for Daddy and see what he says?
It is many ways to cooking this rice, but this one's the easiest and simple one, and hopes everybody will enjoy it.
I hope everybody will enjoy it.
I'm sure they will.
I hold out the spatula now.
It's not special actually. That one was a spoon.
Can I have that? Can I
The
hold that?
spatula's over there.
Can I hold that?
Right, so what are we doing now? We've stirred the rice.
When the rice is boiling with the water,
Yeah.
okay, and we put the lids on, we make sure it's tight, and after turn the heat to lowest level. Make sure turn the cooker off perfectly. The rice is ready also. You can see it is dill rice. It is with the potatoes. Perfectly enough for 4 or 5 people.
Daddy, this is a lot. Daddy, you can't open the
Okay, this one done in here. If you want it to be a more yum, you can have some butter on the top and leave it to melt it slowly in the rice if you want some in there. This rice really good with the stews, with the curries, with the fish. It goes very well with the salad as well. Hopes everybody enjoy it.
Don't forget.
You can't even open this. Look, Dad. Adrian, go. Adrian, go. Adrian, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.